A report anticipates that by 2026, over 80% of enterprises will have utilized generative AI application programming interfaces or models, or deployed generative AI-enabled applications in production environments. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. By 2026, more than 80% of enterprises will have used generative artificial intelligence, that is Gen AI application programming interfaces, that is APIs or models, and or deployed Gen AI enabled applications in production environments, up from less than 5% in 2023. As per Gartner, the growing adoption of generative AI is driven by its ability to create new content, products, and services that were previously impossible or prohibitively expensive to produce. Generative AI can also be used to automate tasks, improve decision making, and personalize experiences for customers and employees. Some of the industries that are expected to see the most adoption of generative AI include healthcare, life sciences, legal, financial services, and the public sector. In healthcare, for example, generative AI can be used to develop new drugs and therapies, personalize treatment plans, and automate administrative tasks. In the legal field, generative AI can be used to research case law, draft legal documents, and provide legal advice. The adoption of generative AI is not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring that generative AI models are fair, unbiased, and safe. Another challenge is ensuring that generative AI models are transparent and accountable. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of generative AI are too great to ignore. As generative AI technology continues to mature, we can expect to see even more enterprises adopting this technology in the years to come. Generative AI has become a top priority for the C-suite and has sparked tremendous innovation in new tools beyond foundation models. Moving forward, organizations that do not consistently manage AI risks are exponentially inclined to experience adverse outcomes such as project failures and breaches. Inaccurate, unethical, or unintended AI outcomes, process errors, and interferences from malicious actors can result in security failures, financial and reputational loss or liability, and social harm. Let's look into today's headlines. AadhaarCard should be locked to prevent the new fraud. In the new type of Aadhaar scan, there is no scope for OTP authentication, and a scammer can steal money from the bank account by simply getting access to users' fingerprint data, knowing his Aadhaar number and the name of the bank in which he has an account. Even worse, when money is debited from the account, user won't receive an SMS notification. So to prevent this scam, it is important that Aadhaar card holders must lock their biometric data by either using the Aadhaar app or the UIDAI website. PrakashDharmani, appointed as Chief Operating Officer of IceWarp India. PrakashDharmani has been named the Chief Operating Officer of IceWarp. Former global CIO at EPL Limited, PrakashDharmani has worked for numerous nations in the US, Europe, Asia, and the Far East. As the new Chief Operating Officer, PrakashDharmani will be responsible for managing IceWarp's daily operations with an emphasis on maximizing productivity, boosting efficiency, and guaranteeing the best level of service delivery to the company's esteemed clients. Qualcomm to launch RISC-V based wearable platform with Google. Qualcomm Technologies is collaborating with Google for bringing a RISC-V based wearable solution for use with Wear OS by Google. The companies will continue to invest in Snapdragon Wear platforms as the leading smartwatch silicon provider for the Wear OS ecosystem. Qualcomm recently announced that it is investing in a new company to advance RISC-V hardware development. Bharti and Jio to likely face Rs 14,400 crore tax bill following Supreme Court judgment. Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio could face a tax demand of Rs 6,000 crore and Rs 8,400 crore respectively for 2020 to 23. This comes after the judgment of the Supreme Court that the license fee paid by the telecom operators are deemed capital in nature. This retrospective tax demand is expected to potentially have a large impact. iOS XE zero-day attacks compromised around 10,000 Cisco devices. Over 10,000 Cisco iOS XE devices have been compromised by attackers who used a key zero-day defect that was just recently made public in order to implement malware. Enterprise switches, aggregation and industrial routers, access points, wireless controllers, and other items are among the equipment running Cisco iOS XE software. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.